Hello, my name is Chris. I am not a certified Honda mechanic. I am a do-it-yourselfer. Hello, today we're going to be installing a 2009-2011 Honda Pilot trailer tow harness. In the box is all the components that are going to be needed for this, the actual connectors, all the fuses, all the screws, and the mounting bracket that will be used. And we will be putting this on a 2011 Honda Pilot. And what we do is lay out all the components we need. The only tools we'll need is a knife, screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a number 10 ratchet. We start by opening several compartments on the back, one for fuses, and the other will be the location of the trailer light controller unit. Again, all the components are included. The screws needed to mount the unit are also included. Go into the panel. We'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the screws with the Phillips head. It can be kind of tricky and a little tight. We'll remove the tape from the connector that is already inside, and it will plug into the controller unit after you get it secured with the two screws. Next, we'll be installing the fuses in the fuse box, which is located in the back compartment inside the car. The fuses go in as shown here, and also if there is any confusion about where the location of the fuse is, on the panel door there is also a diagram that shows the location of the fuses. Now there will be one spot where there will not be a fuse in this scenario, but you can see it where the fuses go on the door. Moving on to the controller, the connector. We're going to go ahead and put that together with the number 10 wrench, and we'll need to cut out the opening with a knife to give access for the controller. Underneath the bumper, we'll be looking for a connector that has a cap on it. It's mounted on the frame near the bumper, near the hole, and that cover will need to be removed. It can be a little tricky. We had to take this off of the frame in order to get the cap off, but the cap and the new connector that will plug into this are exactly the same, so that can help you figure out exactly how to get that cap off. There are two screw holes in the frame that will allow you to use the screws, provided they are number 10 screws. And we use our fingers first just to get those started. It can be a little tricky to get it lined up. There's one on both sides. You'll be able to find those. And then we secure those with the number 10 wrench. Once we have that in place, you'll be able to go ahead and connect the connector that you remove the cap, and then your connector will be in place then. After that, just one more thing we really need to do, move to the front. Under the hood, there is a fuse box that requires two fuses. You can see here on the lid of the box, if you get confused at exactly where these go, there are indicators. But you can also see by the installation here exactly where these fuses go. And really, besides that, the installation is done. Now, in the box, they do provide a trailer brake controller, but we're not using a controller on this trailer, so We did not need to do this part of the install, but you can see where that goes if you do have a controller and need to use this component. And that wraps up the installation. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, please leave those below. Have a great day.